Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Analytics, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the data retention period in Google Analytics or GA4? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the data retention period in Google Analytics anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business tracking your analytics through Google, you know that some of the defaults are only for 2 months instead of 14 months. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change the data retention period, first make sure you're working in the correct property up here on the top left. Once you've chosen the property you want to change the data retention period to, here on the left menu, you want to click on this gear icon, the admin button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu here on the left, and you want to click on this right here, data collection. Once you do that, it's going to open up and you want to click on data retention. If you don't find that for some reason, off to the right, you can look for this box, data collection and modification, and you can click right here on data retention. It'll bring you to the same place. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and change the data retention period. So there's actually only two options, either 2 months or 14 months. Generally, I'm going to include this for 14 months. So this one is going to be for event data. So this would be things like conversions, and then user data. This would be for your retargeting. So you can either choose 2 or 14 months. Generally, I'm going to choose 14 months. And once you have updated the user and event retention period, go ahead and click on save. Okay. Then you should get this little pop-up down here, data retention values updated successfully. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the data retention period for your Google Analytics, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.